This is Tim DeLeo with usingwindowshomeserver.com and the BYOB podcast. Thank you for joining me. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the AWIECO WakeOnLAN add-in onto your Vail server refresh. Let's get started, shall we? First thing that you want to do is you want to download the WakeOnLAN add-in to your client desktop. Once you've done that, you can right mouse click and click on copy. You'll then open up a remote desktop connection to your Windows Home Server codename Vail. I have my connection open. I will right mouse click and I will click on paste. You can see the add-in is immediately recognized on the desktop. It even says open this file to install this add-in. Double click. Click on install. Read the software license terms. When you're done, click on accept. Now you notice this version of the WakeOnLAN for the Windows Home Server codename Vail beta refresh has two choices. You can either install only on the server or on the server and on all of the computers on the network. I will choose the second selection and click on install the add-in. It takes just a moment for the add-in to be installed. Once this latest version is installed, you'll see there's a little note here that says if the add-in did not install successfully on the computers on the network, you can use the alert viewer to review the problems with this installation. This is new for this version of the AWIECO WakeOnLAN add-in. Click on close. You can now trash the add-in and double click on dashboard so we can see the WakeOnLAN interface. Now that the dashboard is opened up, typically on an add-in you would expect to see it in the top row, such as the remote launcher we see here. However, with the WakeOnLAN add-in, it is now within Computers and Backup as its own separate tab. This makes more sense since you do most of your maintenance for Computers and Backup in this area. Click on AWIECO WakeOnLAN and you can see that I have my 5 computers that are on my network here. Now one of the things that I want to do is I want to add a device. I can click on add a device. I can enter the computer name. Then all I need to do is enter in the MAC address of that PC. Once I've done that, I can click on Add, then I click on OK. You can see here that I have HTPC5 available. You can also see that I have a second HTPC5 available. To right mouse click to manage device, you can see that I have the device here, and you can see that I have a duplicate entry. So I can click on Remove, and I can click on OK. I also have another device here. I can click on Manage Device, and you can see I can click on Remove of the IP address and click on OK. And if I want, I can actually remove the device completely. This keeps me from having duplicates on my system. It goes through and refreshes every few seconds, and you can see now that I have my PCs that are ready to go. Let's take a look now and see what it looks like through the web interface. Now here we are with my web interface. I'm going to log in. And you can see that I have the WakeOnLAN here. Now for me, depending on how I want to work my system, I usually have a priority of how the screens work. So to move it, I just move it to the top. And I can move this over here. This way it can all fit and I can have access to everything that I need. From within the website, you can click on one of the red circles, which means the computer is off. When it's orange, it means that it's in process or starting up. You can also click on Show All Devices, and it'll show the device status of any connected. Now you can see that I have two PCs here without any MAC or IP address. That's because they've not been started since I installed the add-in. You can see that Hybrid 140G and now 546 HTPC3 are now started and ready for connection. You can also see that HTPC5 is available for WakeOnLAN. When I click back on Home, you'll notice that only computers that are available to Wake are here. Any that are currently running will be listed under Show All Devices. Now at this point, I can connect to more computers over here on the left-hand side, and you can see that I have computers that are available for connection.